Yesterday we were dealing with certain tools. So today also I'm going to show you certain tools regarding to the AI makers, AI maker PPTs, AI maker videos. Okay, in video, if you're going for any conference, if you're going as a guest anywhere, so
साथ
how this
साथ देखिए नहीं
so how So how these tools will help you over there for improving the quality of the content which you're sharing with the people. And today I'll introduce you with the new AI tool known as Group, which I was saying yesterday again and again, right? GROK Group. So today I felt that we should start from there only, and then we will jump to the next part. And once this is completed, because today is the last session for my technical aspects or the tools simulation exercises for AI and law, then the more I was knowing about these tools. Okay, so those only I have shared with you, and today is the last day of it. If I'm exploring anything new for you, then I'll let you know in the next upcoming sessions. Okay, so until then, try to understand this, and please check you guys are having a good connection at your side. Okay, and we're having a good network connection also. Yes. So let's start with today's session. I'm sharing my screen. Just give me one second. Okay, so we don't need it this for now. Okay. Now, as I said, today I'll be introducing you with the new tool. So this is the new tool. How you guys can open? Just go back. Okay, here you just need to type. I hope you all are having your laptops and PCs with you. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Please type GROK group. So you can choose this first option or you can click on this group AI. Then later on you can see here are so many options. First option and second option. Okay. Both are authentic one only. Okay. But here I am choosing the first one. Group. Oh, I'm so sorry. Now this is how you guys can see this particular app. Okay. Now this particular tool or website where we can find out this is also one type of AI tool itself. Now, as you can see in my history, what I do, whatever notes I make, okay, from that notes, I summarize my content here or I try to make certain things through this particular tool. Okay, for example, can anyone like to volunteer today? Any one of you? Yes? Mansi, Vidya ma'am, any one of you can volunteer for prompt giving. Yes? I hope you are hearing me. Yes, Mansi, Vidya ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. But I'm not so smart in handling
No, it's okay,
laptop.
Vidya ma'am. Vidya ma'am, tell me what is your specialization?
Criminal.
Criminal law. That's great.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, which topic you would like to search here on this particular tool?
Mm, habitual criminals.
Habitual criminals. That's great. Okay. Repetitive offenders in in India. Okay. Ma'am, can you specify any offense?
Um, like पॉक्सो
Okay.
या तो फिर अभी जो अपना अटैक हुआ टेररिस्ट अटैक.
Let's not type about terrorism. Most of AI tool won't be giving you any results for that. ठीक है जैसे आप
पॉक्सो.
इस पे सर्च करोगे ना
Yes.
कि you wanted to find out about suicide terrorism उसके
Yeah.
रिजल्ट्स ये पर्टिकुलर ऐप आपको नहीं देगा, मोस्ट ऑफ चैट जीपीटी ऑल्सो।
Okay.
ठीक है, तो आई शो यू हाउ टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन अगर आपको ऐसी चीजें के बारे में पूछना होगा तो। ओके,
Okay.
या
Oh,
आई कैन सी देयर इज समवन टाइपिंग समथिंग इन चैट बॉक्स। या मानसी इज शेयरिंग बट माय नेटवर्क इज वीक। मानसी, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके, yes. Now this is a topic I want. Vidya ma'am, specially what you wanted to find out here? Only the
uh,
repetitive offender?
yes, like POXO
Hmm?
crime. Just
Okay. So I'll
जैसे
just type especially POXO cases
yeah.
and its dynamics in India. Okay. Okay, the prompt has been given over there. Now let's see what type of results we all are getting here. Now, you know, here you guys can see when they're analyzing what type of website they're choosing. Similarly, like how ChatGPT does. Okay. Now here you can find out what authentic data they have used, what is non-authentic data they have used. So here you can see timing within how much time I'm going to have the results. This is what we have got here. With a table data also. See, I have not asked for table, है ना? मैंने नहीं पूछा था इस AI टूल को कि मुझे आप टेबल बना के दो, की पॉइंट्स बना के दो। देखिए, राइट, दे हैव गिवन मी। अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूँ, ये 56 वेब पेजेस ही हैज, सॉरी नॉट ही हैज, दिस पर्टिकुलर टूल हैव यूज्ड। अब इसमें से आपको चूज करना है कौन सा मेरा ऑथेंटिक डेटा है, कहाँ से दे हैव टेकन ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन। ठीक है, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, फॉर मी दिस इज ऑथेंटिक लिटरेचर। वाई ऑथेंटिक? क्योंकि हम न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल को भी एक प्राइमरी या सेकेंडरी सोर्स बोलते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंफॉर्मेशन दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग, राइट? नाउ data.gov, this is one of the more authenticated data because the data given by government is also known as a authenticated data, right? Next you can see gov, most of government data we can see here. Okay, journals, so no lame data but only the authenticated data. Okay, now from post also they have chosen something. Now these are not authenticated data according to me because I don't know what is this website, what is this unknown name, right? So I won't be taking any part from there. Okay, but now let's see how authentic they have made it. We will read this again. Oh, I can see one message. Okay, yeah. Now overview of repetitive offenders in POXO cases in India. Okay, so they talked about POXO Act first. Then repetitive offender, those who reoffered after prior conviction, pose a significant challenge, exacerbated by low conviction rate, high case pendency, and limited rehabilitation program. Okay. Data on recidivism, reoffending in POXO cases is sparse due to inconsistent tracking, but available studies indicate it's a growing concern with sexual recidivism rates in India reportedly higher than in Western countries. Now, after we have read this, what do you feel? Do this language is fine, or you wanted to change this?
No, ma'am. This
This
is
is
fine.
fine. Yeah, I feel this is a language which I also understand. Even the student will also understand when I'm teaching them this. Okay. Up here they have given us the statistical data, and this is what we needed, right, ma'am? You wanted to see how many registered till 2023, conviction rate, general recidivism rate, sex offender, sexual recidivism, India versus West. So here, on basis of which source and notes they have taken it, that data only they have added over here. So according to me, I will take this data only 50-50%. Okay, whenever I'm quoting this data in my citation, if I'm using this for any research, for writing any paper, or when I'm suggesting this to any another person, I will check according to NCRB. I'll check the website of NCRB and then only I will cross verify with this number. But most of the time, the data here which they quote, it's actually the similar one, the similar data like what you are going to get on the websites. ठीक है, व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, जैसे हम लोग चैट जीपीटी पे भी ये चीज कर सकते थे, बट दिस इज देयर फॉर द प्रोफेशनल पीपल, लाइक मोर इन academics this is really really helpful. So that's why you all can use this. Okay, now let's say that you didn't like the language of this particular paragraph or this particular article. Again I'll tell you, copy this data, ठीक है, open the next page, summarize AI for free. I'll type here, so many website. Okay, this is known as PaperPal. Just click here. Okay, let's use Cider AI. My session is getting recorded, so you don't worry that you won't be able to find out. Add to browser, I'm saying. I don't want it to use anything. Oh God. No problem. We are having so many things here. Okay. We'll use decopy AI. Yes, here we are. Okay, you can see decopy AI. I'll put this in your chat box. Okay, from here you can open this. Now, how we can make a content from here? Okay. Now, here is our content. I'm copying. Here I'm clicking and paste. Okay, I had all my content here. Mode is I want a summary, AI notes, report summarizer, or meeting summarizer. But I am just asking for the summary. Language is English. Medium. If you want very short, you can click on short. Medium. Let's say that I want a longer one. Summarize. Click here. It will summarize your content. As I said, I want a longer one. It will create really a longer one. You can see it's more than 500 words, I feel. See here, you can see the word count here. The word count is here. Okay, I have not asked this for making all these terms, right? But still it is analyzing everything. Similarly, what I have done on the Grook AI. So जहां से I have copied this, ये उसका ही reference लेके यहाँ पे आपको वो summarize करके देगा. Okay. Now, FAQs. I didn't ask for anything for summarizing it, right? Still, it is making it for me. Now, this is how I have got my content. Now, if you see the language here, now let's say that long तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. Click on short, summarize. ये कुछ 50 words के अंदर आपको बना के देगा. I'll show you the difference later on. Why we are summarizing it and why we are dealing with it. Okay. Now see the language used here and the language used here. They have literally used a synonym and they have changed the title. Dynamics of repetitive offenders in India. Understanding repetitive child offenders in India. Okay. So what this paragraph is about, उसका उन्होंने title में ही modification कर दिया है. right? Here they have written a language which is quite professional and which is quite higher generative. Here, if you can see the general review, yeah, normal English, this is a general, but yes, it is also a professional one. The article investigates the dynamics of repetitive offending, particularly in the context of child sexual offenses under the POCSO Act in India. It highlights how physical, social, cultural, and systematic factors intertwine to contribute to child abuse, emphasizing that most offenders are familiar to their victims, which perpetuates cycle of abuse. Additionally, it outlines the psychological traits common among offenders, including historics of trauma and personality disorders, which significantly increases the livelihood of recidivism. Now, which one you liked from the both? You tell me. Yes. Yes, I hope you are hearing.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm reaching home.
Okay, okay.
This is good, ma'am.
The summary which you got?
Yeah.
Okay. Mansi, what about you? Which one you feel? You can type in chat box. I can. This. Okay, okay, okay. Now here I can relate myself because I can read this, and even the way I speak, this is written in that manner. That's why. Now, as I said, how to find out do this is authentic or not, right? This is the question first you must be having in your mind, right? So here I went again. Okay. Here I am right now. Now from this, okay, they are saying the National Crime Records Bureau, okay, or let's say that we were having that government website here. I'll just open that. Give me 1 minute. Hmm. Hindustan Times. Okay. Okay, the news article is about over 47,000 POCSO cases filed in 2020. Government in Lok Sabha. Now, Hindustan Time, we know that this is one of the authenticate paper in India. See, from here they have taken the data. If I go here, see, this data is here, right? 30%, 48%, 6 to 10%. They don't do anything. They just take a data from here and they just remodify. But if I take this data as just for giving any references here, it will be known as the this data will be known as the similarity data. So I don't want similarity over here. That's why I summarize the content, and now they have summarized in a human manner, or they have summarized into a professional manner. Same, you can make your case notes or case summary from this particular tool. Okay, got it, everyone? Can I
Yes.
show you how we can do that? Yes. Yes, everyone, I hope I'm audible to you.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I joined late. I was under the impression of 7:30, so I missed the beginning. So,
No issues, sir. No issues. What you can do, you just open this group.com and you will get this page. Okay.
okay.
This is a group AI. No problem. It's okay. That's fine.
Uh,
Until sir is opening, or the people, those who have joined late, please open this group.com, groupai.com. Now I'll teach you. You all are practicing advocates, right? Can you guys just tell me any case, which is famous case till now, and you wanted to make a summary of that case? Yes? Can you suggest me the name of any case? Yes, Vidya ma'am, Mansi,
Mm,
Ma'am, Nithari murder case.
Nithari murder case. Good one. I'll just find out the judgment. Now, let's find out authentic website for this. For me, SCC Online is the. Now here I am copying the content. Okay. The Manupatra I can't open over here. So that's why I am just copying it from the newspaper article. Okay. Now from here, I need to copy this one by one. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Copy, then paste here. Pasted the content. Okay. Now here, automatically, the link will also come of the source from where I have copied this content. ये ChatGPT में नहीं होता है. Okay. Now, ठीक है. Issue raised over here with the statute. This is my command. Command is given. I have not asked to make this particular table. So by themselves they are making it. Okay. ठीक है. This is the result outcome. I got it from here. Okay. अब यहाँ पे we have just added what have happened. What they did, they have really given the results according to not only the article but the other things which are posted on the webs. Okay. Now what are the key terms in the case? So here they are discussing key terms, concepts and entities central to Surendra Kohli versus State of Uttar Pradesh, decided on in November 11, 2025. This encapsulate the factual, procedural and legal essence of Nithari killing prosecution. Okay, so basically this article was regarding to the comparative analysis of it. That's why here we got this key term and concept with the description. Okay, so Nithari killings, Rimpa Haldar case, companion prosecution, curative petition, Section 164 of CRPC, Section 27 of Evidence Act, evidentiary foundation, manifest injustice, issues raised. This is something which is important. Is there anyone who said ma'am?
No.
Okay. Now issues raised, they have made these issues. Now again, I feel this is a referred data, pura referred data. Okay. Now here they are not showing what they have referred over here. Okay. Now if you feel that this data is unauthenticated data, report a issue. Okay. Or if you wanted to share this, export to PDF or create a share link. You are having option over here. And this is free to use. Okay. Now here I am again copying the content whole. I really can't write in this manner. Again, I am going to next web page. Now this page is nothing but the same summary wala. Now can we use any another AI tool for summarizing the content? Okay. So let's move ahead with the Zero GPT. So I think I have taught to you. Yes, Scribble. Scribble is also having a good authenticity. It is same like Grammarly and Quillbot. Pasted. Okay. It will give you the keywords of the article. Okay. Here we have clicked. Now these all are the keywords of these cases. If you wanted to remove, click and then you can remove. Okay. Now I wanted this to be less one and it should be there in the pointer. Now can you just tell me, you want this in paragraph bullet points? Which one you want? Anyone can speak up. You want a paragraph or you want bullet points?
Bullet points.
Bullet
Bullet
points.
points? Okay, bullet points. They are saying word limit is exceeded. Okay, no problem. You just take how much words you wanted. Now here they are creating the bullet points, and this is how we have got our summary. So only in pointers they have explained this. Now let's say that I am not satisfied with this. Continue. Okay. Again I pasted. Okay. Now bullet points mean you don't get too lengthy or short or anything. No option. But when you're dealing with the paragraph, you can decide you want a medium or you want a longer one. ठीक है? So as you said bullet points, वो आपको one liner bullet points ही देंगे. ठीक है? So I think my data is slow a little bit. Re-summarize. Text is already summarized. Now I'm saying re-summarize this because I want more authenticate data. That's why. So again, I got everything in bullet points. Nithari killings, serial of child murderers and disappearance in Noida from 2005 to 2006, with skeletal remains found near house D5, resulting in 13 trials. Similar, Rimpa Haldar case involves the conviction of Surendra Kohli under the provision of various IPC sections affirmed by the Supreme Court in 2011. Okay? This is how, from the detailed information, I have got the shorter ones. Okay? Got it, everyone? How you can do this? Yes?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
I felt that I didn't like the data of this particular web page or this tool. Go back. Okay? Go back. Quillbot. This is also a bot. Don't you feel this one and the data which you right now seen on that particular web page is same, right? But the result will be different. Okay? How? Let's see. Summarize. I'm just summarizing in a paragraph. Okay. This is just a short summary of this particular case. Now they will convert this data into bullet points once again. Now what you guys can do, this is just a demo which I'm showing you here. Now when you are using it for your individual purpose, you can choose any case which you are literally working right now, and then you guys can copy that content, please paste it here, convert into the summary of the data, or find out the key terms over there by using this group AI, and then you can shortlist and then copy paste this data again on your document. Now you're ready with your summaries. Now you just need to do one thing, that is just read. Okay, so are you finding out this is useful? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about others?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yes.
मैम एक रिक्वेस्ट था, जो जितने टूल्स दिखा रहे हैं ना बॉट, वो एक चैट बॉक्स में आप लिंक।
हाँ मैंने डाला है सर, ऑलरेडी मैंने डाला है वहां पे।
हाँ
आपको
ना,
सिर्फ
एक ही
मैंने
आया है।
ये वाले नहीं डाले जो समराइजर वगैरह है, तो मैं
हाँ
काम
हाँ,
करती हूँ, which I have used, वही I'll add there. Okay,
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
yeah, जैसे I have used this. I think मैंने डी कॉपी डाला है चैट बॉक्स में, just give me one
हाँ,
second.
डी कॉपी आया है, बाकी नहीं आया है मैम।
हाँ ये आप सर्च भी कर लोगे ना सर, ये दिख जाएगा आपको, क्योंकि ये सबसे फेमस होते हैं। जैसे अभी देखिए मैंने सर्च किया है समराइज एआई फॉर फ्री, तो ये सारे ही यूजफुल है, बट जो मैं यूज करती हूँ, जिसका मुझे एक्सपीरियंस है, मैंने आपको वही सजेस्ट किया, बट सारे ही ऑलमोस्ट पीपल आर यूजिंग। क्विलबॉट है, बट फिर भी इफ यू वांट आई गिव यू नो प्रॉब्लम। जीरो जीपीटी मैंने आपको इनिशियल क्लासेस में सिखाया था, या मैंने बताया था आपको कि आप उसे कैसे यूज कर सकते हो। ठीक है, this is the one. And again, I'll go back. I'll share one more with you. Zero GPT, again, I'll give in your chat box. Okay. coming back to Duke AI. Okay, so understood everyone?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
did you study or how we can summarize certain contents by using this AI tool group? Okay, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you want to ask anything specifically to search here or any substitute for this or anything?
No, ma'am. No, nothing from my side.
Nothing from your side. Okay. Any another person?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Vidya ma'am? Anything? Vidya Mansi?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. ठीक है. Now let's stop here only. Now ये आप चैट जीपीटी पे भी कर सकते हो similarly, but as I said, I'm not having trust that much more. ठीक है, even if I use this tool. Now on chat GPT, you can see this is known as Lawyer AI India. Click on this. Yes. This is the page. This is something which is new. Recently, no, not recently, some months back, this has been added here. I really specifically don't know when it is added, but ये मुझे अभी कुछ दिनों पहले ही identify हुआ है कि this is what it is here. Can you just open ChatGPT and then click on this tab known as Lawyer AI India? I hope all are following this.
Yes, ma'am. We are doing it.
Yeah. Okay. Open ChatGPT, then Lawyer AI India.
Ma'am, it is a tab or we have to type it?
No, 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 no. Okay, I'll show you from the first. ठीक है? I've used a lot. Okay. I'll close this and I'll open on the new tab. ChatGPT. This page you can see first. Okay. Then at the left side of the column, you can see Lawyer AI India. नो पता है ये आप जिस रीजन में हो ना उस हिसाब से वो जुरिस्डिक्शन या लोकेशन चेंज करेगा. Lawyer AI United States, Lawyer AI Canada. Like this is I asked to my friends, so it shows there. ठीक है? Yes, all are there on this page.
Ma'am, I'm not getting this same.
You're not getting the same? Can I? Okay, sir, I'll do one thing. See, I'll share this link with you. You open from there directly. Okay,
Okay.
this will be helpful, I feel. Yes. You just try. देखिए जिन्हें जिन्हें नहीं ओपन हो रहा है, जिनके वेब पेज पे ये नहीं ओपन हो पा रहा है, आप लोग ये लिंक फॉलो करके आप उसे ओपन कर सकते हो. पहले आप लॉग इन करना मत भूलना. प्लीज लॉग इन टू दैट पेज. चैट जीपीटी पे लॉग इन कर लो पहले, देन यू एंटर इनटू दिस वन. I hope it is happening, everyone.
Yeah, ma'am, it's happening.
Okay. What about other people?
Yes,
Vidya
it
ma'am,
is.
right?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
basically loading, so it may take some time.
Yeah. It takes some time actually. कैसे I'm using this from a longer period of time, तो मेरे यहाँ पे network is also good, but other thing is I have opened so many tabs, तो वो बहुत सारी चीजें यहाँ पे already है. So for me it happens जल्दी थोड़ा. For you it may take time, so don't worry about it. Mansi is saying yes. Okay, that's great. It's easy to use, but I just wanted you guys to do this particular activity with me only.
Yes, tell me.
Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Lawyer AI India. Now here we need to ask all the questions related to law. As if they are saying ask anything, right? So you only tell me what question should I ask them. Yes? Any one of you can volunteer and you can tell me. What should I ask this lawyer AI?
Uh, is the commercial court order appealable?
Okay. Instead of that, can we ask this AI to follow client counseling? Like, I'll show you how. Okay.
Okay.
This is just experiment with which I have done with my students also. Make a legal issue where a owner of a land is facing a trespassing where an owner of the land is facing a trespassing. So make a script of the incident in detail and ask for the no let's only make a incident in detail. बाकी तो हम उससे पूछेंगे दूसरे वाले AI से. Chronic trespass on agricultural land. Okay, ये रहा हमारा केस in a detail. ठीक है. Sorry sir for not taking what you have said. I'll
No,
do
no,
it
it's
after this.
perfectly okay. I checked up with Lawyers India. It's answering me.
Okay. Okay, that's really great. Huh? I have opened this chat GPT. I have pasted
But
this.
I have noticed one thing, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt in between.
Yes, yes.
Like the latest updates, sometimes it misses on the latest updates. Like
Hmm.
day before yesterday, Supreme Court has said something about the appeal on commercial courts.
Mm-hmm.
So it is still showing the older results, not the newer results.
Correct. Correct. That's true.
So
So,
probably it may take a week or 10 days to get it updated, and then it will start reflecting the answer.
yes. See, this is a bot. The data which is right now there on this bot, there on this platform, may be limited one. But same thing if you check after the 1 week, after 1 month or 2 months, then you can see the better results. क्योंकि ये
Yes,
भी एक टेक्नोलॉजी है, not a human, right?
right. So that's what we discussed in the beginning, that what is AI?
Ah, correct.
First question.
Yeah. Okay. Now I have added everything over here. Okay.
Hmm.
Please counsel my client for the above issue and how they can approach court, make key pointers with suggestion and language should be the layman, not professional one. I'm so sorry for my all these spelling mistakes. Okay. Prompt given. Searching my knowledge. So they are accepting that according to their knowledge only they will give. See, this AI bot don't need a human. They are literally writing there. But now we are going to check the facts. Do this is correct or not. Okay. One by one we'll check everything. Okay, now let's check. Now, and then you only tell me this is correct or not. Okay. Below is simple, clear, and layman-friendly counsel for your client, Mr. Arjun Rao, explaining what he should do next, what his legal rights are, and how the court process works for both criminal and civil action. ठीक है, मतलब extra का information also they have given. So it's a only trespass or it is a criminal trespass. ठीक है. Now, how positive they speak. Legal counsel for Mr. Arjun Rao. Your case is stronger. Why? Your land is clearly fenced. You have warning boards displays, section 441 IPC. This is visible physical damage, fence plus crop plus soil. You have a witness, Ramesh, and a photographs. This is not one-time issue. It has happened multiple times. The accused refused to cooperate when confronted. This is fine, everyone?
Yes.
What is section 441 of IPC? Because I'm not asking BNS, okay? I'm just asking you, what is 441?
Trespassing into without permission. No,
Trespassing
trespassing
without
permission.
permission, okay? Any
I'm
another
not
answer?
remembering
Anyone?
right now.
Yes? Yes, yes. Yes, guys. Okay, so 441 is purely talking about the criminal trespassing. ठीक है? Clear cut definition of section 441. ठीक है? Now let's say that if you really find out this in BNS, okay? So in BNS we are having this offenses under property. ठीक है? So BNS में you can read section 329. Okay, which is talking about the offenses related to, as I said, properties. Criminal trespass as unlawful entering on, remaining on someone's else property. So this is just I just remember the starting line only. So accordingly, as right now we wanted to apply, आप यहाँ पे BNS भी डाल सकते हो, but उन्होंने यहाँ पे IPC का दिया है, मतलब this is not updated yet. ठीक है? ना अदरवाइज मेरे प्रॉम्प्ट गिविंग में कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे ईयर स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि दिस इज रिसेंटली हैपेंड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज क्रिमिनल केस फाइलिंग FIR. क्रिमिनल ट्रेसपास 447, मिस्chief कॉजिंग डैमेज 427. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 441, यहाँ पे 447. ओके, अगेन 427. What you should do at police station? Huh? We are also counseling. Now let's see how they are saying. Photos of the broken fence, tire marks, and crop damage. Video or pictures of the tanker or trucks entering, exiting. If you have. Statement of Ramesh. He saw Balu Shetty's tanker at the exit point. History of earlier incident. This shows it is a chronic, not accidental. Estimated cost of damage. Repair bills, crop loss estimate, labor charges. ठीक है? We don't want what police will do on this, but the only thing is it's our right that we need to tell them, please register my FIR. For inspection you can call them, that's true. ठीक है? Till here you guys are agreeing on what they are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Yes. Civil case, permanent injunction plus damage. I hope you all know what is permanent injunction.
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Yes, yes. You all are practicing lawyer. I should not ask you this, okay? But still, I'm asking. This is separate from the FIR. You go to the civil court because you want a permanent injunction. A court order says that Balu Shetty, his workers, drivers, and the vehicle cannot enter or use my farmland or now or on in future. If he violates the injunction, he can be filed or he can be jailed. Next is claim for damages. List. Repairing the fence, missing crops, loss of yield, soil compacting and restoration, labor charges. अब यहाँ पे ये कुछ modification है. ठीक है? Now key points. You being their lawyer, you must tell to the court for criminal cases also and for civil case. Sir, it is not an accident. It has happened many times. My fence was cut or crushed. No one goes to it unless intentional. His vehicle used my land as a shortcut to save time. I warned him earlier, but he refused to stop. मतलब ये बताना है क्लाइंट को आपको क्या बोलना है. And same civil case में, I'm suffering loss again and again. He must be stopped permanently. Otherwise, the damage will continue. Only a court order will prevent him from using my land as a road. How many of you feel this is relevant? Yes. How many of you feel that this is relevant?
Yes, ma'am.
Till here. Okay, Vidya ma'am is saying she's fine with this. Yes. Any other answer? Yes. Yes, Prakash sir, Saurabh sir, Mansi.
Ma'am, some points are irrelevant because it is going into the criminal aspect of trespassing.
Correct. 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 That's true. So, instead of asking them for a counsel, ठीक है, जैसे I did it here, of course, client is going to approach you. And when client is stating their facts or when client is sharing the things with you, at that time we all write or we either record, right? You can upload the recording here or you can copy paste the content you have taken from there. You paste it here and then you try to summarize your content by using this lawyer AI. Don't ask them which statute because we are lawyer, we know what are those. But for short downing, for making summarization or for making points from a legal point of view, for that purpose only you can use. Please don't do this. This is wrong actually. But I have seen there are some people for keeping a compliance, they use this type of data. Okay. So this is not 100% authentic. For some people, it may be 10 to 20%, but please don't give such type of suggestion to the people. As you are being a lawyer, you studied the law. These apps are just the data which is uploaded on them or this particular website. They have given everything correctly. I'm not saying no, but this we can't counsel directly to the our client. So we need to see what are the reflections which will happen later, right? So try to modify the data or try to ask the relevant things. So you need to improve your prompt giving technique. You just need to practice that. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes. So that's why, as I said, human can identify the real facts which is even not said. That's true, Mansi. That's really true. Okay. Just when we are listening to someone, now this AI can detect the voice also. Even if you put this device in front of your client, whatever they are speaking, this will summarize automatically. But when we are listening to them, at that time, we are getting so many hints. Oh, okay, this thing has happened, this will be applicable. Oh, okay, these are the parameters of this case. Oh, not only this scene, but there are so many things which can be included over here. And she's also saying, and all documentation cannot be in writing, and AI can analyze that. That's true. That's true. No AI can analyze that. Like in real judges know the case in beginning, but wait for the evidences. That's true. This is known as a common sense. What Mansi is typing over here, and I totally agree, Mansi, what you are saying. This is a common sense. Even if we are using for documentation purpose, वगैरह भी, it's fine. मतलब for modifying, for writing, for having a very standard format, उस चीजों के लिए it's fine. But counseling, referencing, yeah, referencing भी आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. जैसे if you wanted to find out the similar citation, इस पे you will get the olden one, not the new one. ठीक है? So similarly, you can find out. Otherwise, directly check on Google Scholar. That is the best version. Okay. So understood till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, everyone is saying yes. Yes. So Mansi is saying, ma'am, drafting, summarizing, all these parts can be done from the AI, but not consulting. That's true. Okay. But at the international level, Mansi, there are 6 web tools or websites. They are really expensive to buy, but they are really authentic because the data is totally a human person is literally adding that data and it is updated on the everyday basis. Okay, so I'll tell you later. Before that, I need to check certain things with those tools and how I can show you that here. So I'll suggest you how these things are also working. Okay, But till now, the basic things which are available for us, which are free in cost, I feel we can use that. There is no issue with it. Okay. So I hope you all have understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there
Yeah.
anyone who is having any doubt? You wanted to speak about anything? Yes. Yeah, true. It's making our work easy, but relying totally on it, it is foolishness. That this is what I said at the beginning of the session, sir. Please don't rely on it, but please cross-check the data which we are going to use from there. Good, Mansi, you remember what I said. That's really good. Okay. So we are not going to rely, but we are going to just take a help from it. That's it. Summarizing the content for grammar, for formatting, all these things you guys can do. Okay. So I'll stop here only, but tomorrow I'll show you how you guys can cite and how you guys can refer by using different types of tools. I really forgot to share this with you today. And then later, this is just a 10 to 15 minutes work. And after that, I'll start with the cloud computing agreements for information technology as well as for AI, how it works. So I'll show you some models tomorrow session, not tomorrow, next week, whenever we all are meeting. At that time, I'll show you that. Okay. So it will be also a simulation exercise plus more information for you. I have just newly added this cloud computing agreements because AI emergence is new, but how it is affecting there. So for that, you all just read about the patents, means whole IPR and reliability of AI with this IPR. You just read this from the different sources which are available. Then I'll clarify your certain doubts. Okay. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Please read IPR and the relevance of AI with it. How it is happening, any cases there or not. This is just a homework. So you're having ample of time for dealing with it. Okay.
IPR with
AI, relevancy of AI with IPR, how it works, how it is there. Then I'll share some stories with you. Until then,
okay.
you also find out certain things. Then it will be a discussive session, right?
Okay, right.
Prakash sir, you said, oh, he left or he's there? Prakash sir, you
Yeah.
said you're from Gujarat, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You know, गुजरात में केस हुआ था जिसमें they have used AI and this एक technology they have used. You try to find out this case. It was a fraud actually they have done. ये online fraud हुआ था. आप find out करोगे?
हाँ, पेपर में भी आया था मैडम वो।
यस आपके पास 1 वीक टाइम है प्रकाश सर आप सब लोग फाइंड आउट करोगे ओके और you can find out the frauds you can find out using AI what are the offenses what are the crimes which are happening at your areas then I'll try to help you how through forensic science and how through this law you all can work on it okay
Right, ma'am.
how many of you are interested in forensic science
It is always an interesting subject to learn about.
Oh, that's great. Okay. So I'll tell you one interesting thing as I have told you in the beginning of the session that I am IFCI expert, means Indian Forensic Science Cybersecurity Expert. Okay. So I'll show you some interesting things, but you need to do homework. If you do your homework very well, all of you, I know we are not at school or college to give homework, but I feel as we all are investing our time here, so it should be a fruitful one. So that's why it's a homework, or we can say that this is a simulation exercise at your home. If you all do this homework well, then I'll show you very interesting things. Okay, through
Right,
for AI only, which is available on the forensic science websites. Okay.
right, ma'am.
Yeah, how to identify, how they work on certain cases. I'll show you all these things, but you need to do your homework properly. Okay,
All right.
that's great. Okay, chalo.
Okay,
With
ma'am.
this note, I'll stop here only. Thank you
And
so
ma'am,
much for your patience. Yes, sir, sir.
small request, please keep it for 7:30 only. Today I was under the impression for 7:30 only.
So for that, you can talk with our administrators and Akshay. Okay, because these timings I don't decide; these are the decided by them. So you just have a conversation with them. Then whatever time they
Akshay
decide,
number is
then
not
we will be
available.
there. Okay, sir.
Akshay number is not available.
ग्रुप
Oh,
बना है
is it?
उसमें है सर।
Acha, I'll check. I'll
Yes,
check.
हाँ,
yes.
अपना ग्रुप
Akshay,
बना।
are you there in this meeting now? Any person? Okay, he will connect with you, sir. I'll give this message to him, and then whatever outcome is coming, I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, right, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Until then, thank you so much for your patient listening. All of you have a very happy weekend. Thank you so much.
Right, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
Good
Bye.
night. Thank you.
Ma'am, good night.
Good night. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Mansi.